The next topic is type of inheritance in Java. So on the basis of class, there can be three types of inheritance in Java: single, multi-level, and hierarchical inheritance. So how we will apply this kind of the inheritance in our program? Java will support single, multi-level, and hierarchical inheritance, multiple and hybrid inheritance. These are another two kind of inheritance are supported by the object-oriented programming, but these two kind of inheritance are not supported by Java. So how we will represent these kind of inheritance? Graphically, we are able to represent this kind of inheritance. Here one block diagram is given, so you are able to understand the things clearly. The first diagram will show the single inheritance. Here one class A and another class B. Class B is a subclass or child class and class A is the base class. Class B can use all property. Property means variable and method belongs to the class A, and here it is a single type of inheritance, means there is a one child and parent relationship between class A and class B. Means class B, how to write the code? Class B extend class A. Extend keyword you have to use to inherit the property of the class A in class B. Here the second kind of inheritance, it is multi-level inheritance. Here we have to apply the inheritance in two steps. So to create this kind of the inheritance, we have to use the three classes: class A, class B, and class C. In class B, you have to use the extend keyword. Class B extend class A means class B is able to use all the properties, and property means all the variables and method belongs to the class A, and class C is able to use all properties means variable and method belongs to class B. So automatically class C can also use the properties means variables and method belongs to class A. Class B is subclass of class A and class C is the subclass of class B. So here in two steps we have to create the child and parent relationship. Class C is a subclass of class B and class B is subclass of class A, or you can say that class A is the base class of class B and class B is the base class of class C. So this kind of the inheritance is called multi-level inheritance. Another kind of the inheritance is called the hierarchical inheritance, that is also supported by Java. Means here we have two different classes, class B and class C, and both classes are inheriting the property of class A. So class B individually inherits the property of class A. Property means all variables and methods declared in the class A can be used by the class B, and similarly all variables and methods belong to the class A can be used by the class C. So this kind of the inheritance is also supported in Java, which is called the hierarchical inheritance. Another kind of the inheritance that you are also able to see, the multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance, and this kind of the inheritance is not supported in the Java. Why? Because Java will not allow that at a time one class having two parent classes, means class C is the derived class and class A is the base class and class B is also base class. So we are not able to write that class C extend class A and class B. So at a time, one class will be extended from one from means from class C. We can extend the property of extend means we can inherit the property of class A, and for to inherit the property of the class B, we have to create the another program through which we can inherit the property of the class B. Means with the help of a single program, we are not able to inherit the property of the class A and class B. So this kind of the inheritance is not supported by Java, which is the multiple inheritance. In the similar manner, hybrid inheritance is also not supported by the Java. Why? Because here the class B and class C individually inherited from the class A, and class D is another class, fourth class, which is the which is the child class of class B and class C. Means class D is the subclass and class B, and the class C is the superclass A. So this kind of the inheritance is also not supported by Java. Java will support only three kind of the inheritance: single, multi-level, and hierarchical. And multiple and hybrid inheritance are not supported by Java. So this is all for today. Read the all content provided to you related to the inheritance. Some related concepts are also given in your book. Read it also. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.